Welcome to the Who's Where Benefit Eligibility Tracking Overview. In this presentation, we will review some of the benefit eligibility tracking features of the Who's Where solution. Today's most competitive employers offer varying benefit plans to attract and meet the needs of a diverse workforce. This can make tracking benefit eligibility for your employees very complex, adding to the efforts of ensuring accuracy and timeliness. This complexity typically means different plans with different rules that can be based on employer, age, employment history, current employee status, and more. Also, employer plan rules can often differ from legally mandated eligibility rules, such as for laws like the Affordable Care Act, requiring you to manage the same information multiple ways. The Who's Where solution takes a unique approach to tie together all data related to an employee's eligibility and configures the system to fit your plan rules, no matter how many plan variations you offer or how many payroll systems are used throughout your organization. The Who's Where solution accommodates and supports multiple locations using different payroll systems, multiple and varying plan rules, consideration of employee enrollment history, actionable alerts regarding enrollments and waivers, and more. Let's take a look at the solution. The executive dashboard pictured here is used to provide an overview of plan participation, including a quick view of employees who are eligible and not enrolled, or even enrolled and not eligible. Employers can easily see if any action needs to be taken to avoid the risk of penalties and to ensure employees are receiving the benefits for which they are eligible. In Who's Where, employers can drill down to employee-level detail by simply clicking on any underlined number. In this example, the employer has configured medical, dental, retirement voluntary, base, and match plans, as well as a pension plan. The plans, plan names, and plan rules are configured for each employer, and employers may have as many benefit plans in the system as they need. Each plan can also have its own eligibility rules. Examples of configurable eligibility rules include minimum number of planned work hours per week, employment length rules, minimum age requirements, position exclusions, and more. Also, if there are multiple employers and the benefit eligibility differs between them, the benefit plans and associated eligibility rules can be applied on a per-employer basis. For multiple employer groups, Who's Where can aggregate hours for eligibility purposes for employees who work for more than one employer. Administration can be performed at either the organization level or the individual employer level. Organizational users can utilize this tool to monitor compliance by their employers and can easily send email notifications from within Who's Where, as shown on the next slide. Who's Where provides the ability to set up email templates for each of the categories from the participation summary table that we just viewed on the executive dashboard. In this example, the organization is sending notification to an employer with employees who are eligible but who are not enrolled, which could affect the timeliness of their contributions or their enrollment dates for health insurance or other benefits. The user simply clicks on the button at the bottom of the page, and Who's Where sends out the reminder email. Notice that the system also tracks if and when an email has already been sent for each employee. The screen also includes the ability to drill down to employee-level data by simply clicking on an employee's name. For multiple employer organizations, there's also a dashboard for each employer so that they can easily see any action they may need to take and view any messages that the organization publishes for them. Messages can be set to expire on a specific date and can also be sent via email if desired. This is helpful in reminding employers of due dates, plan changes, etc. The at-a-glance overview of employees that are eligible and not enrolled, or employees that are enrolled but not eligible, helps ensure timeliness and accuracy of enrollments and simplifies the administration of benefits. Details about an employee's enrollments can be reviewed by clicking on the View link, as we'll see on the next screen. Each employee's plan information is stored in Who's Where. Employers can view plan status, eligibility dates, and enrollment start and end dates for each configured benefit plan. In addition, documents related to a plan, such as a decline of offer, for example, can be stored in Who's Where for easy access. These documents can be viewed by both the employer and the organization. Thank you for reviewing this overview of the functionality of the Benefit Eligibility Tracking solution. To speak with the Who'sWhere representative about your specific needs, or to learn more about additional product features, contact us at 888-561-2072, option 41, or email sales@points-north.com.